Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using a DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and it's showing drainage issues or an HL error, this quick guide will help you fix it safely and keep your unit running efficiently. Portable air conditioners remove humidity from the air, and that moisture collects inside an internal water tank that must be emptied when full. To drain the tank, always start with safety. Turn the unit completely off and unplug it from the wall. Locate the drain plug at the bottom rear of the unit and place a shallow pan underneath. Carefully remove the plug and allow the water to flow out fully. If needed, gently tilt the unit backward to help release all remaining water. Once the tank is empty, securely replace the drain plug, plug the unit back in, and resume normal operation. This process usually clears the HL high water level error immediately. For extended use or very humid environments, continuous drainage is the better option. Locate the continuous drain port on the back of the unit, remove the cap, and attach a properly fitted hose, typically around 5/8 inch inner diameter. Route the hose downward to a floor drain, sink, or container, making sure there are no kinks or upward loops. Proper slope is essential for smooth water flow. If you notice leaks, check that the internal tray is properly aligned and confirm the hose is not blocked. To prevent future problems, clean the air filters every 2 weeks, fully drain the unit before storage, and keep it in a dry location during the off-season. If your unit displays additional error codes like sensor or frost warnings, consult the manual or contact DeLonghi support for professional guidance.